In this video lecture, I'm going to teach you how to create a program that determines students' grade in Java programming. So go ahead and import scanner. So java.util, and go ahead and create a public method. That is your main method. Public static void main, and this text strings args. So inside here, we go ahead and create scanner. sc is equal to new scanner, system.in and not out. We are accepting input from the user. Then go ahead and put a semicolon at the end, and outside here we're going to request the user to impute system.out.println. I say please enter your score. Please enter your score, and this is going to be in a string format. All right, so go ahead and close this, and go ahead and close this as well. So now we'll go ahead and so let's go ahead and create an integer that will help us to hold this. So because it's going to be an integer value, so I'm going to say int x. So now come down here again and say x is equal to sc dot next int. So go ahead and place semicolon at the end, and we now determine if x is equal to so we're going to start from fail, good, excellent. So let's determine just these three things. So if x is equal to if x is less than 40, so if x is less than 40, that is going to be system dot out dot print you failed. Else if x is greater than 40 and x is less than 70, so this is going to be system dot out dot println. I say you passed. Then else if x, so if x is greater than or equal to 70, then we're going to say system dot out dot println, then this is going to be excellent. Then let's go ahead and put another one. Else if x is less than 0, so if x is less than 0, it's going to be system.out.println. So we're going to say only positive numbers are allowed. So only positive numbers are allowed. Then else you go ahead and say system.out.println. Please insert valid numbers. Alright, so let's go ahead and this is run this. Go to run configuration and let's go over here and this is project 32. Go ahead and hit on project 32, okay, and this go to main class and grade, okay, apply and run. So please enter your score. So let's go ahead and put 65. Is that 65 failed? Let's check this out. If this is greater, if x is, oh no, this for the first one is x is less than 40. Come on, run this code again. Alright, 65, enter, you passed. That is good. You run this again. So this is x less than 40 or equal to 40. Then let's go ahead and sir, 40. You failed. Run this code again, enter another value. So let's go ahead and say minus 20. You failed. And we will need to check only positive numbers are valid. So what we need to do is come back to this and say if x is greater than or equal to 0 and x is less than or equal to 40. So let's run this code again and let's check it out. So minus 20, only positive numbers are allowed. You see that? It is negative below 0. So now let's go ahead and input something like n and hit. You see this? We don't need this, okay? So only integer values are allowed in this case. So go ahead and you can go ahead and play with this. 70. Excellent. So you can go ahead and play with this. These are about determining students' grade in Java programming, and I hope it's very simple and straightforward. You can also use switch statements or switch cases to do this. It's very easy and straightforward. So if you have any question, please use the question and answer sections and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.